Hi guys, I'm going to do an ed puzzle, but I wanted to do it today, not only because I could give you an ed puzzle grade, but I want to see if you like it when I do it better or when the lady does it better. I personally think the lady is better than me um, because I'm just not as good at these, but maybe you like me doing it better because you're used to me as a teacher. So when we did our notes on Monday, I had you use the lady. Let's see how you feel with me, okay? If I'm going too fast, know that you can pause the video. I'm also going to ask you questions so I can see if you're understanding what we're doing. You'll have 2 tries for the ed puzzle. So let's get started. So writing trend lines, we talked about this yesterday. You're going to choose any 2 points on let me get the color I want to use, any 2 points on the trend line and set up the rise over the run to find the slope. And again, you guys should know how to find the slope of the line or the letter M. You look at the y-axis to find the y-intercept of the line or the B, and then you write the equation in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. So let's get started. I'm going to look at this line right here, and I'm looking for 2 pretty points. You can usually use the y-intercept as a pretty point. And then let's see if we find another pretty point right here. Okay, it's going down, so my slope is going to be negative. So I went down 1 over 1, 2, 3. So 1 over 3, it's negative. So y equals negative 1/3 x plus, and we started on 8, so plus 8. So this didn't go away. Remember what we're doing here? Let's do another one together. Then I'll have you do number 3 on your own. So I'm going to start here on the 60, and let's find another pretty point right here. Now check out my increments. I'm going up 20. So I'm going to write that over here. I'm going up 20. So that's my top number. And then I went over 1, 2. So 20 over 2 is going to be 10. It's a positive slope. So 10x plus 60, because that's where I started, y equals 10x plus 60. That would be my equation for the line. You try to do number 3. Okay, how did you do? Did you get it? Okay, if you didn't, don't worry, you can do this again. There's 2 tries on this. Okay, so let's do the next one here. The scatter plot below shows a number of items in a load of laundry and the number of minutes it takes to fold the laundry. Use the data to answer. Okay, so first, write the trend line equation. Now, the minute I see that I'm at 0, 0, I know there's not going to be a plus b. So this is just going to be a y equals, and let's see what it is. So we start at 0, 0. Where's our, right here. So we go up 5, and we go over 5, 10. Okay, so up 5 and over 10. Let me write that down. Up 5 and over 10, because I'm looking at my increments. See my increments there? So that would be 1/2, right? So 1/2 or 0.5, however you want to write it, that would be my equation. Then it says specify what each variable represents in the context of the situation. Well, x is, and it tells you right here, guys, x is the number of items, and y is the number of minutes, Okay. Use the equation to predict the time it would take to fold a load of laundry containing 60 items. Now, since x is the items, I'm just going to replace the x with 60. So y equals 1/2 times 60, Okay, and so that would be y equals 30 minutes. There we go. Now we're going to flip it. It took Joey 22 minutes. So 22 minutes. And so how many items of clothing is that? And so you just kind of flip it, and then we're going to go times 2, times 2. So it would be 44 items. 44 items. Okay. So let's flip on over to the other page. I bet you could do these 2 pages on your own. Let's just let you do these on your own. So I'll ask you some questions. Let's see if you can answer the trend line for the equation. Okay, so the actual answer, I don't know if you got it or not, is y equals negative 12.5 or 12.5 or however you wrote it, x plus 300. Okay. And then you can see that the x is the number of days and the y is the number of drinks. I'm not going to write that down. And let's see if you can answer B and C on your own. Okay, how did you do? B should have been 150 drinks because, again, all you're doing, if you're kind of confused what you were doing, X is the number of days. So you're just taking that days and plugging it in there. And then Desmos will do that for you. Negative 12.5 times 12 plus 300. And then that's how many drinks. And then C was 20 days. And again, you were just plugging 20 into where the Y is, and you're solving for X. Okay? Did you do okay? How about, let's answer A and B on this one. See if you can do A and B. How did you do? I hope you did okay. And then let's do number 7 on your own. Number 7. And again, you're just going to say true or false. That's all you have to say is true or false. Okay? I'm not so worried about the actual for the ones that are false. Okay, how did you do? I hope you did okay. Again, you can do this again if it didn't go well. And that's it. Thanks.